Hello guys and welcome back here. In this video what we're going to be doing is cutting in paint along the top of the ceiling here, and as you can see I'm wearing these Warner adjustable stilts to the strap and stride, and they adjust from 18 inches to 30 inches. And guys, these stilts are going to save you a lot of time and energy if you're a painter or a drywall. The time you're going to spend less, it's going to take you less time to cut in a room if you're able just to walk around the room versus having to push a ladder around and get up and down the ladder. So you're gonna use a lot less energy here. Okay, so you just want to start off by going slow and stand near the wall to get your balance. Okay, and when you walk, just focus on hitting the heel first. Okay, so we're going to be using this brush right here. It's a 2-inch, it's a Corona Excalibur brush. And I have my paint in my bucket here. The color is Americana Egg. So we'll see you in a few. And hello guys and welcome back. Here we're going to be cutting in the top of the ceiling here with my 2-inch brush here, and I have my paint in the paint bucket. Once again, the color is Americana Egg. And we're going to start, and we're only going to load up that much of the brush right here. We're going to tap it to both sides to rid the brush of that paint right here. You can still see there's a lot of paint on here. Come up here, I'll transfer this 1/4 of an inch shy, come back into it. That gathers the paint and come into it. Come back, gather the paint, and come into it. Okay, now I'll feather it off. Going like that there, and that takes care of that there. So I'll load back up here, transfer this to the corner. Come back into it, and feather by going back into what I did there. Load up, tap twice, that's the paint. Come to the corner, come back a little bit, and feather this off by going back into it there. So that's going to take care of that right there.